Yo, what is up everybody? It's your man Rad here, and we're about to get real about something I'm super passionate about: travel. That feeling when you step off the plane, train, whatever, and you're in a whole new place. But here's the thing. You ever feel like you're stuck in the tourist trap, like you're on a conveyor belt of cliches? Yeah, me too. We're not talking about the same old tired tips here, all right? We're going deep, uncovering the secrets, the hacks, the real deals to transform your travel game. So buckle up, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's unlock some serious travel secrets together. All right, first things first, let's talk about crowds. Nobody likes being crammed into a sweaty mob of tourists all vying for that same Instagram shot, right? You spend all that time, all that money, and what do you get? A sea of selfie sticks and a headache. Not on our watch. Listen up, the key here is to get off the beaten path. Ditch the guidebook for a minute, wander down those side streets, you know, the ones with the cobblestones and the locals. Trust me, the best adventures, the hidden gems, they're tucked away from the masses. And here's a pro tip. Wake up early, I'm talking sunrise early. You'll have the place to yourself, catch some epic golden hour light, and trust me, those photos will be fire. Plus, you beat the heat, the lines, all of it, so pack your sense of adventure, ditch the crowds, and let's get lost in the right direction. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money. Look, travel doesn't have to break the bank. There are ways to see the world without emptying your wallet. And no, I'm not talking about couch surfing or eating ramen noodles for every meal, all right? First up, be flexible with your flights. Those red-eye flights, those weird layovers, they're your friends. Embrace the chaos, save some cash. And speaking of friends, budget airlines are your new best friend, man. Just pack light. Who needs checked bags anyway? Next up, accommodation. Forget those overpriced hotels, all right? Hostels, guest houses, Airbnbs, that's where it's at. You'll meet awesome people, get local recommendations, and save a ton of money. So be smart, be savvy, and keep exploring without breaking the bank. All right, let's get real for a second. There's nothing more frustrating than trying to order a meal or ask for directions in a language you don't understand, right? It's awkward, it's stressful, and it can totally kill the vibe. But it doesn't have to be that way. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language can make all the difference, trust me. Even a simple hello, thank you, or excuse me goes a long way. It shows respect, it breaks down barriers, and it opens up a whole new level of connection with the locals. Plus, it's not as hard as you think. There are tons of language learning apps out there like Duolingo, Babbel, you name it. Download one, spend a few minutes a day, and you'll be surprised how quickly you pick it up. The locals will appreciate the effort, and you might even get a good laugh out of it. So open your mouth, try it out, and watch how quickly your travel experience transforms. We live in a digital age, people, and your smartphone is the ultimate travel companion. Forget those bulky guidebooks and paper maps, all right? There's an app for everything these days, and trust me, they'll change your travel game. First up, you need a good flight and hotel booking app. Skyscanner, Hopper, Booking.com, these are your new best friends. They'll help you find the best deals, track prices, and book everything in a few taps. No more spending hours searching through websites, all right? We're all about efficiency here. Next, you need a navigation app. Google Maps, City Mapper, Maps.me, these are lifesavers. They'll get you where you need to go, offline maps and all. And don't forget about translation apps. Google Translate, Microsoft Translator, these are essential for breaking down language barriers. So download these apps, put them to good use, and unlock a whole new level of travel freedom. All right, let's talk about the good stuff. Food. Food isn't just fuel, it's a cultural experience. It's a way to connect with locals, to understand their traditions, to taste the soul of a place. And trust me, some of the best food you'll ever have won't be found in fancy restaurants. Forget the tourist traps, all right? Head straight to the local markets, the street food stalls, the hole-in-the-wall eateries. That's where you'll find the real deal. Authentic flavors, fresh ingredients, and recipes passed down through generations. Don't be afraid to try something new, something you've never even heard of before. Be adventurous, be open-minded, and let your taste buds guide you. You might just discover your new favorite dish. Remember, food is a universal language, so eat your heart out, explore new flavors, and let the culinary adventures begin. Now let's talk about solo travel. I know it can seem intimidating at first, but trust me, it's one of the most rewarding experiences you can have. It's a chance to step outside your comfort zone, to challenge yourself, to discover who you are when you're all alone. When you travel solo, you're in complete control. You set the itinerary, you go at your own pace, you do whatever you want, whenever you want. No compromises, no arguments, just pure freedom. You'll surprise yourself with how resourceful you become, how much you can accomplish on your own. You'll learn to trust your instincts, to embrace the unknown, to be comfortable in your own company, and the best part? You'll meet incredible people along the way. So if you're thinking about solo travel, do it. You won't regret it. All right, let's be real. Half the fun of traveling is capturing those epic moments, those breathtaking landscapes, those unforgettable experiences. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a professional photographer to take amazing travel photos. First up, forget the fancy gear, all right? Your smartphone is your best friend. They have incredible cameras these days, and with a few simple tips, you'll be snapping like a pro in no time. Lighting is everything. The golden hours, sunrise and sunset, that's when the magic happens. The light is soft, warm, and it creates this incredible depth and dimension. So set your alarm, get up early, and chase those golden rays. Composition is key. Use the rule of thirds, leading lines, natural frames. These are your secret weapons for creating visually striking photos. So get out there, experiment, have fun, and capture the beauty of your travels one shot at a time. All right, let's talk about tourist traps. You know, those overpriced, overcrowded, underwhelming attractions that everyone tells you have to see. Listen, they're called traps for a reason. They're designed to suck your wallet dry and leave you feeling underwhelmed. But here's the good news. There's always another way. There are always hidden gems to be discovered, off-the-beaten-path adventures to be had, local experiences that will blow your mind. You just have to know where to look. First up, ditch the guidebook, all right? I know it's comforting to have that familiar companion, but trust me, the best experiences are often found by wandering off the beaten path, by talking to locals, by following your curiosity. So ditch the crowds, follow your curiosity, and create your own adventure. All right, let's talk about free activities, because who doesn't love free stuff, right? Look, travel doesn't have to break the bank. There are tons of amazing things to see and do that won't cost you a dime. First up, get outside, explore the city parks, go for a hike in the mountains, relax on the beach. Nature is free, people, and it's often the most rewarding part of any trip. Next, check out the free museums and attractions. Many cities offer free admission to museums on certain days of the week or at specific times. Do your research, plan ahead, and you can soak up some culture without spending a cent. Walking tours are another great way to explore a new city on a budget. You'll get some exercise, learn about the history and culture, and maybe even discover some hidden gems along the way. Sometimes the best experiences are the unplanned ones. So be open to new adventures, follow your curiosity, and you might just stumble upon something amazing. All right, let's get real for a second. Safety should always be a top priority when you're traveling, but don't let that scare you off, all right? With a little common sense and some smart precautions, you can have an amazing and safe trip. First up, research your destination. Know the local customs, laws, and any potential safety concerns. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be. Always trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Don't be afraid to say no, to walk away, to change your plans if necessary. Your safety is paramount. Keep your valuables secure. Don't flash your cash. Invest in a good money belt and be mindful of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas. And most importantly, remember that people are generally good. Don't let fear control your travels. So there you have it, guys. My top 10 travel secrets to unlock an unforgettable adventure. Remember, travel is more than just checking off destinations. It's about immersing yourself in new cultures, embracing the unknown, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, hit the how about that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more travel inspiration, and don't forget to share this video with your adventure buddies. Let's spread the travel love. Oh, and before I forget, I've linked all the awesome travel gear I mentioned in the description below. Until next time, keep exploring, stay adventurous, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.